how to view impressions and add impressions for my Yelp page. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can view impressions and add impressions for my Yelp page. And here is how to go about it. So when it comes to managing and measuring your Yelp ads program, understanding the metrics is crucial. Okay, and here is how you can understand the metrics. The first step is to log in into your business account, your Yelp for business account. And then how do you log in? Once you are logged in on the home page, move to the top part of the screen where you can see the logo, you can see a search box, and then you can see Yelp for business. Once you click on this, you can decide to add your business if you've not added your business before. You can decide to claim your business if you have a business initially, and then you can just click on login to business account. Once you're logged in, on the home page, navigate through to your Yelp Ads dashboard. All right, just navigate to the dashboard on your home page, and then once you're on the dashboard, you would see a list of options like customer leads, ads, and organic leads where you're reaching, and then your ad spend. And then once you can see all of this, you can now navigate through them. All right, and you must note that your Yelp business account provides direct visibility into users' interaction with your Yelp page. All right. The impressions means that the number of times your Yelp page was displayed to users. The engagements include actions taken by users on your page, okay, including clicks, calls, and direction. And then user behavior means understanding how users engage with your content. So once you can check all of this, once you are logged into your Yelp business account, you'll be able to check all of this on your Yelp ads page. And then once you can see it, depending on the reaction you've gotten, depending on how much impressions and ad impressions that you've gotten on your page, you can now know what you need to change in your ad, what you need to improve on, and what you need to do. And then also you can now use the call to action feature to encourage specific actions from your users, such as visiting your website or calling your business, etc. So remember, regular reviewing your Yelp Ads dashboard helps you to gauge the success of your program and make informed adjustments, just like I've said earlier. So this is how you can view impressions and add impressions for your web page. Ensure you create your Yelp for business account and ensure you check your Yelp ads performance regularly. Thanks for watching and have a good day.